I'm in the middle of Amsterdam Square with some killers. I'm waiting on Papa to stab them like 60,000 times, bro, and I have the knife myself.
Yeah, yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time y'all check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, it definitely I go be the first to know. Now, we have two topics to discuss in this review. First topic we have to talk about is Jah Cure voice note leak. Now, me do a video this morning about Jah Cure, speaking about the whole situation, and me did done express that even though Jah Cure is wrong, he should have never stopped the promoter. I understand why I'm doing it. You don't want to know say you are work for nothing. You don't want to know say somebody for give you one piece of money, and when you get the money there, you don't get it. Jah Cure go over Netherlands, go work, him perform on a show. When payment for reach, him not get the payment. The promoter youth, I try style him. Now Jah Cure go ahead and stab up the brother. And now Jah Cure is serving 6 years in a Dutch prison. Alright? So people, this is the voice note before the stabbing. The voice note here shocking. So people, listen to this.
Let me tell you a story. I'm in the middle of Amsterdam Square with some killers. I'm waiting on Papa to stab them like 60,000 times, bro, and I have the knife myself. I'm ashamed to tell you this, bro. I take off all my jewelry. I'm in the damn square with Penko, and I'm gonna show Penko that he needs to put respect on his name. My brother, this is stupid what I'm telling you, but believe me to God, if Papa shows up here, you will hear the news and someone will be here to make the video. My brother, I'm not lying when I tell you this. I'm waiting on Papa to fix him good. And I'm waiting. If he shows, brother, you will hear the news. I make no joke. And I would never send you a voice note like this for no reason. I'm not here to make a comedy show, bro, or a movie, but I'm here to start a real fucking live show. Bro, believe me, this nigga let me work this stage and don't pay me, bro, and he's talking tough. I'm waiting on him. Bro, if he shows, you will know.
It's sad for no say we big reggae superstar I go to jail right now for a simple matter like this. And remember people, this is not the first time Jah Cure is going to prison. Jah Cure was convicted for rape in 1999 and he served his sentence and get out. So this no Jah Cure no used to that something, you see me? And even though Jah Cure is completely right for defending money, not right for stop the promoter, but right for defending money, me feel like same should have defending money a different way. You see me? Go through the legal channel. Don't have your right in your hand and give it away. You see me? But again, I understand why I'm doing it. Him just shouldn't do it. So people, let me know in the comment section what you think of this leak voice note. You see me? Do you expect stuff like these from Jah Cure? Let me know in the comment section. Alright? So the second topic we are going to discuss is how L.A. Lewis is pressing charges against Minister Babsy Grange. Now, people, if you don't notice, Chaddy More TV, both Instagram and Facebook and on YouTube, we don't touch a topic here, none at all. Because, and when I say we don't touch a topic, I mean with the whole prince. We never call him the prince, you know. With them people from England who fly down and everybody create this animosity. Oh my God, them forward and this and that and that. It's surrounding that. So, on the day that they arrived in Jamaica, there was this big fanfare at Trenchtown. So L.A. Lewis, being that he is the Queen's grandson, L.A. Lewis go down there and say, yo, he want to meet him cousin, which is supposed to be him cousin, yeah, prince, whatever. So in the middle of an interview, Babsy Grange did this.
And so when the prince coming to visit, it's a beautiful thing. So give him a warm welcome and give his wife a warm welcome. And there's a beautiful Babsy Grange.
This is not your show.
Yes, sir. All right.
This is not your show.
All right, Bobsy, so we have to finish the press of the media. So big up to yourself, people, and the beautiful Minister Babsy Grange.
So people, me personally feel like so she should style L.A. Lewis like that. For some people who fought from foreign, for some people who used to slave Jamaicans. No, we no like that Babsy Grange. Again, just like the Jah Cure situation, we probably understand why Babsy escort him out of the venue. You see me? But how she do it? She could have at least let the man finish him interview more than just take him out of the place. So L.A. Lewis go and file a complaint. Well, him not go file a complaint first, you know. L.A. Lewis got a doctor, go get a doctor certificate. Then him go file a complaint against Babsy Grange. Because L.A. Lewis claims say Babsy scratch up him and so people, this is what the article said. L.A. Lewis files lawsuit charges against Babsy Grange. Controversial entertainment figure Horace L.A. Lewis has filed a report with the police alleging assault at the hands of Culture Minister Olivia Babsy Grange. The report was filed at the Trenchtown Police Station in South St. Andrew on Wednesday. According to Lewis, the alleged assault took place when Grange attempted to escort him from Culture Yard in Trenchtown, where the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge were being hosted on Tuesday. Culture Yard is the former home of reggae icon Bob Marley, which was turned into a cultural center and museum. L.A. Lewis said, and I quote, "Me under trauma because at the end of the day, me not used to things like this. Me used to the excitement, but not things like where Babsy Grange come cross and put her hand on me. She do like a push me, but she grab her claw in me hard and leave an imprint. Me never did I expect it, but me still a smile for make it look like nothing no go on, because the media was in front of me and me never want to look embarrassed." In a video making the rounds on social media, Grange is seen cutting short a media interview with Lewis. "LA, this is not your show. Come," Grange said while resting the palm of her right hand on his back. Lewis acknowledged the minister but continued to speak. At the time, Grange beckoned to the businessman George Pang to deal with that.
Welcome. And there's a beautiful Babsy
This is not
Grange.
your show.
Yes, sir. All right.
This is not your show.
All right, Bobsy, so we have to finish the press of the media. So big up to yourself, people, and the beautiful Minister Babsy Grange.
A purported medical report dated March 23rd said Lewis was suffering from a bruise on the left scapula, otherwise known as the shoulder blade. The report, which had signature of medical doctor Kimon Robinson, said that the injury was serious. It said that the injury is consistent with infliction by blunt trauma, but it is not likely to be permanent. Lewis was prescribed painkillers. Lewis also said, and I quote, "She called across the Honorable George Pang, Justice of the Peace, to come move me. When this honorable see me, him say, 'Oh, Bobsy is LA man.' She then said, 'Move that.' So same time, George Pang tell me to walk her out and avoid all the trouble." End quote. Lewis said the incident have left him feeling fearful as he was later approached by two men who he claimed threatened him. He said the men told him that he was not to be seen in the area, none at all. Meanwhile, Lewis' attorney at law, Charles Singh, said his client is taking the physical attack on him by Minister Babsy Grange very serious. And note that the laws of Jamaica are applicable to any minister in the same manner as anyone else. So people, what you think about this whole situation? Me don't tell you what me think already. Babsy, you style the youth. You see me? But at Jamaica this, this now go nowhere. And it a go give L.A. Lewis more, me not say more fame, but it just a keep L.A. Lewis relevant right now because throughout the whole situation, his name was a top topic. That makes sense? Yeah, he was one of the topics throughout this whole fanfare. I don't know what to call it. The visit. So let me know what you think. You see me? Are you team Bobsy or your team L.A. Lewis? You know what I mean? People, let me know in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram. People, may I beg you please go on over my Instagram page. If you watch on YouTube now, go on over my Instagram page. If you watch on Facebook, go on over my Instagram page. If you are watching on Facebook or on Instagram, go over my YouTube page. Huh? Yeah man, make us share the platform. I'm the only just a content creator that actually have 3 platforms like that. Me have a nice size YouTube page, me have a nice size Instagram page, and me have a nice size Facebook page. You see me? So if you know a promo or anything like that, just link me up. Alright? So shoot me a DM on Instagram, or you can email me chaddymortv@gmail.com. So that's chaddymortv@gmail.com. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way. Any other way are the wrong way. We're gone.